Do you have that rundown feeling? Is your head reeling? Are you nervous, jumpy, or on the edge? Do you have a sneeze, a wheeze, or other allergies? Or do you just need something to get rid of your in-laws? Well, Milwaukee has the answer, and we'll find out about it in just a moment. I'm Tim Johnson. You're watching Shop Tool Reviews. Okay, Milwaukee had nothing to do with that intro, and hopefully that will release me from any liability from the legal team. Anyway, this is the Milwaukee PACKOUT 76-piece first aid kit. It is a Class A Type 3 first aid kit, and it's in the PACKOUT container. Need I say any more? Anyway, hey, listen, the great thing about this is this can be used for anyone. I'm one of those that sometimes I claim safety third, you know, when I should be a little more cautious. And sometimes I get that cut, that abrasion, that problem that I need to deal with. And sometimes things aren't in the shop that need to be. Well, whether it's the shop or whether it's the job site or whether it's even on the go, this makes it very handy to have everything in one place where you're supposed to have it anyway. So we know that many of those OSHA guidelines, they require us to have a lot of these things, and that's why Milwaukee designed this, and being in the PACKOUT system definitely helps that person that may not have everything organized as they should, and this just takes the guesswork out of it, and that's a very good thing. Now let's take a closer look at what we get inside. As I mentioned, this is the Milwaukee PACKOUT 76-piece first aid kit. This is a Class A Type 3 kit, so it's going to meet your ANSI and ISEA Z308.1-2015 requirements. So let's take a look at what we get in here. So this first bin here, this is the real goodie bag here, I can tell. So a lot of different stuff that's in here. We got everything from triple biotic ointment to hand sanitizer. Look, little hand sanitizer packets there. Triple biotic ointment, first aid, burn cream. We got burn cream there. We got antiseptic towelettes, so a bunch of those. Everybody likes that nowadays. Make sure that we're getting things nice and cleaned out. Aspirin for your headaches and anything else, even your heart. Aspirin's great for everything. Not everything, don't take my word for that. More triple biotic ointment. I think that might be it for this one. Yeah, another antiseptic towelette. I think you get 10 of those. So that's the first bin. Then we get some eye wash in here. That's always important when you are grinding, welding, sanding, anything like that, and you got chunks flying everywhere. Great to have some eye wash nearby, and also in this bin a pair of scissors to cut your gauze as well as any tape. And there we have some tape in here as well. And also one of the cool things in this kit is not only do you get the hanging hook here, so that's actually, it comes right in there. So you've got a hanging hook, big metal hook that will hold that very easily, but you also get screws and even drywall anchors in there to hold that hook as well. So if you don't have a PACKOUT system to mount this to, you can hang it on a hook. And there's your Red Cross training services and first aid stuff. So a first aid guide, that's great, handy to have right there in the kit. And an instant cold pack. So you just break this open and the cold pack should last you up to 20 minutes. So that's great to have. So any burns, things like that. Some burn dressing as well as sterile and gauze pads, a trauma pad. So if you're getting really hurt, then you're going to need that. Back here in the back bins, we get a large triangular bandage, so 40 by 40 by 56, as well as a couple of safety pins. So I'm assuming you could make like an arm sling, something like that with that. And then some Band-Aids and an oval eye pad as well. And then I think we get some, a gauze roll there, as well as I think that's a CPR protectant to put down somebody's face when you're needing to do CPR. And I believe it even has a warning on there for make sure that you're trained personnel. Yeah, there's your breathing apparatus there. So that's for CPR. Excellent. And then rubber gloves. Keep everything nice and safe even when you may be trying to take care of someone. And there we have it. So the 76-piece PACKOUT first aid kit. Nice and handy to have, all in one kit. And of course, we get the rubber seal that's going to make this IP65 watertight, if you will, as well as we love the bins in the PACKOUT system because this keeps everything from shuffling around in there, keeping everything nice and tidy. and in their own place. And as I mentioned, we could hang it from this handle. We could also slide it into our pack out system. Yes, this is only a 76-piece kit, but Milwaukee does sell a 204-piece set as well that you can get also. So they do have a bigger set if you need a bigger set. So this one is a little bit limited on what you get, but again, it's going to get you by for what you need. And if you need the bigger set, you can buy that as well. And you may say, you know what? And by the way, the price is $70, 69 something. So $70 for this pack out as well as the contents in it. And you may say, you know what? That's expensive, but here's the non-expensive part. It's taking the guesswork out of it. It's keeping you from having to go aisle to aisle to aisle to shop for all that stuff. So it's all included in one kit, and you know it's cool because it's in the pack out system. So you can either attach it to your favorite pack out stuff, like we can do here. It also comes with the hanging hook as well, with the screws even some drywall anchors if you need to mount it on drywall, or you could screw that directly to a steel beam or to a stud and be able to hang the pack out system with that hook. Or you can hang it on an existing hook, or again, clip it into your favorite pack out system. This all comes with it. So anyway, the pack out system, obviously you get that IP65 weather resistant, water resistant type of seal around it. So not only do we get the waterproof seal that's around here, but also you get this impregnated lid that keeps everything in each one of these bins. So all these recessions here sit down into those bins, and so then you get nothing spilling from bin to bin. So none of those products are going to slip into those other compartments when you have this pack out system sealed up, and you don't have to worry about that little bit of water that you may get from a drizzle or even a rain or even a water hose, because that's going to keep it dry. Hey, check it out for yourself. Again, it's the Milwaukee 76-piece first aid kit in the pack out system. Also, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button, but only if you liked our video. If you hated our video, by all means, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.